Good morning. I wake up full of energy and excitement today. Every morning is a new chance to grow, learn, and become better. I choose gratitude as my first thought and take a deep breath. Today I speak English confidently and embrace all possibilities. I am proud of myself for showing up and taking action. Even small steps move me forward on my journey of growth. Each word I speak strengthens my mind and shapes my future. I am ready to embrace this day with motivation and joy. I am capable of learning and improving every single day. Mistakes are opportunities to grow and gain experience. I repeat affirmations with energy and belief in myself. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger and more confident. My voice carries power, even when my English is simple. I celebrate every small victory along my learning path. I trust my ability to overcome challenges with patience. I feel proud of myself for practicing consistently this morning. English opens doors for me to connect with the world. I speak freely, knowing practice creates mastery over time. Every word I say builds confidence and courage inside me. I am consistent and committed to my growth every day. I am focused and present in this morning practice. Each repetition strengthens my mind and determination. I embrace every moment of learning with positivity. I am becoming a stronger, more capable version of myself. I trust the process and enjoy my journey without fear. My mind listens carefully to every word I repeat. I am patient with myself and celebrate small improvements. Every day I speak English with more clarity and power. I am courageous and speak even when I feel uncertain. Every effort I make moves me closer to my goals. I accept challenges as part of my learning adventure. I choose action over hesitation every single morning. I take responsibility for my growth and success. My voice is strong, and my words shape my reality. I repeat phrases that empower my mind and spirit. Each morning I practice. I become more disciplined and focused. I trust my progress, knowing consistency beats perfection. Every phrase I speak reinforces my confidence and belief. One choose courage, practice, and growth above all excuses. I am proud to invest in myself every day with English. My inner voice reminds me that I am enough and capable. I embrace challenges and learn from every mistake. Each step I take builds my future, word by word. I am unstoppable when I dedicate time to my practice. Today I speak English with joy, clarity, and confidence. I repeat affirmations that motivate and inspire my heart. Every effort I make strengthens my mind and my abilities. I am becoming the person I want to be, day by day. I am powerful, capable, and unstoppable in every way. My voice matters and carries my truth into the world. I speak clearly, with energy, and share my light with others. Every word I say reflects my strength and determination. I embrace challenges because they make me stronger. I face mistakes with courage and learn from each one. I am resilient, and nothing can stop my progress today. Every affirmation I repeat fuels my mind and spirit. Today I choose growth over comfort, courage over fear. I trust myself to act and speak with confidence and clarity. I am unstoppable when I dedicate time to my morning practice. Every small effort compounds into lasting progress and success. I imagine myself speaking English fluently and freely. I see doors opening and opportunities flowing into my life. I connect with people around the world through my words. I inspire myself and others by showing up consistently. My energy rises like the morning sun, bright and unstoppable. I feel strength flowing through my body with each affirmation. I am disciplined, focused, and present in every moment today. Every repetition builds confidence, courage, and clarity inside me. I see myself speaking English with confidence and ease. My words flow naturally, connecting me to people worldwide. I imagine traveling, learning, and growing without limitations. Every morning practice shapes this powerful future inside me. I visualize success in every word I repeat today. I am grateful for this opportunity to improve my mind. Each affirmation plants seeds of courage and clarity within me. I trust that consistent practice leads to lasting mastery. I see myself standing tall, speaking freely with joy. My confidence inspires me and everyone I meet around me. Every phrase I speak builds courage, focus, and determination. I am proud of the person I am becoming through practice. Today I choose to act, not hesitate, in any situation. I take small, powerful steps toward fluency every morning. I embrace every mistake as a lesson and a guide. Each repetition strengthens my English and my mindset. I imagine doors opening through every word I speak. New opportunities, friends, and experiences await me daily. I am brave, motivated, and unstoppable in my pursuit of growth. Every affirmation brings me closer to freedom and confidence. I feel joy and excitement as I practice these affirmations. My mind is clear, focused, and ready to absorb new words. I speak with intention, energy, and love for my growth. Every morning I choose progress, courage, and personal power. I am committed to building habits that transform my life. I trust the journey even when challenges appear. Each word I practice today strengthens my confidence and belief. I am capable of achieving everything I desire in English. I imagine my future self thanking me for my dedication. I am proud of my discipline, consistency, and courage. Every repetition reinforces the vision of who I am becoming. I step forward today with clarity, strength, and determination. I feel energy flowing through me like a river of strength. My body stands tall. My heart beats with motivation and joy. I repeat powerful phrases that empower my mind and spirit. Every morning practice builds momentum for success in life. I embrace the challenges that come with learning English. Each step forward adds to my growth and self-confidence. I celebrate small wins that create lasting habits and results. My persistence and courage make me unstoppable every day. I choose discipline over fear, action over hesitation. Every word I say builds my inner strength and focus. I am confident in my progress and proud of my consistency. My morning affirmations create a powerful start to my day. I visualize myself speaking fluently with clarity and confidence. I feel the excitement of connecting with people around the world. Each affirmation fuels my courage, motivation, and joy today. I am grateful for this time dedicated to growth and learning. I repeat empowering phrases that shape my identity daily. I trust that consistent practice leads to fluency and mastery. I am brave enough to speak, make mistakes, and improve every morning. I grow stronger in English and in life. I am grateful for this morning and the chance to grow. Gratitude fills my heart and strengthens my resolve. Every word I speak plants seeds of confidence and courage. I choose positivity, focus, and joy as my daily companions. I honor my efforts and celebrate every small success. I am patient with myself as I practice and improve. Each repetition builds momentum for learning and self-belief. I am proud of my dedication and commitment to growth. I focus on what I can control and release what I cannot. Discipline guides my actions and keeps me consistent daily. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow stronger and wiser. Every phrase I speak empowers my mind and spirit profoundly. I remind myself that progress is built step by step. Every morning is a victory, a chance to improve and shine. I acknowledge my effort, my courage, and my persistence. My confidence grows with every word I repeat in English. I speak affirmations that inspire energy and motivation. I am fully present, aware, and engaged in this practice. Every word echoes strength, focus, and clarity inside me. I am unstoppable when I dedicate myself to this journey. I visualize my future self speaking English fluently and freely. I imagine connections, friendships, and opportunities flowing easily. Every phrase I repeat today strengthens that powerful vision. I step forward with courage, focus, and belief in my abilities. I see myself confidently expressing ideas in English conversations. I imagine doors opening for work, travel, and personal growth. Every effort I make compounds into lasting progress and success. I am motivated and ready to act on my dreams today. I repeat affirmations with energy, joy, and certainty. My mind absorbs positive words that shape my reality. Each practice session creates habits that build fluency and strength. I trust that consistent action guarantees measurable results. I feel excitement and motivation coursing through my body. Every repetition reinforces confidence, courage, and self-belief. I am proud of my morning practice and my dedication. I am becoming the best version of myself, step by step. I imagine challenges as stepping stones to mastery and growth. I embrace mistakes, knowing they are lessons in disguise. Every word I speak builds resilience and mental strength. I am unstoppable, capable, and determined to succeed. I feel energy rising like the sun, filling me with strength. I speak affirmations that ignite motivation and purpose within. Every sentence I repeat fuels my mind, body, and spirit. I am consistent, disciplined, and unstoppable this morning. I choose courage over fear, action over hesitation, every time. Every word I speak shapes my future and builds my confidence. I am focused, strong, and ready to take on the day fully. Each morning practice strengthens my English and my character. I am proud of my dedication, my effort, and my persistence. Every repetition brings me closer to fluency and freedom. I speak English boldly, with clarity, joy, and purpose. I trust the process and embrace growth every single morning. I visualize opportunities, success, and happiness in my life. Every phrase I speak makes my dreams feel closer and real. I am motivated to act, to learn, and to speak with confidence. Each morning I step into a brighter, stronger, and better self. I repeat empowering affirmations that energize my entire being. I am confident, capable, and courageous in every situation. Every practice session builds mental strength and resilience. I am unstoppable in my pursuit of growth and mastery. I embrace the day with positivity, focus, and determination. Each phrase I speak reinforces my goals and inner power. I celebrate my progress, dedication, and consistency daily. I am proud of the person I am becoming through practice. I trust myself to overcome challenges and learn from mistakes. Every affirmation strengthens my courage, confidence, and focus. I take control of my growth, my actions, and my journey. I am committed to speaking English with clarity and joy. I see success, fluency, and growth unfolding in my life. Each word I speak shapes my reality and strengthens my mindset. I embrace discipline, focus, and positivity as my superpowers. I am motivated, unstoppable, and ready to take action today. I am grateful for this morning, this practice, and my progress. Every repetition fills me with energy, confidence, and determination. I choose courage, focus, and joy as my daily companions. I am proud of my efforts and excited for tomorrow's practice. Today I am powerful, confident, and ready to grow. Every phrase I speak strengthens my mind, body, and spirit. I am unstoppable in my pursuit of English mastery and personal growth. I finished this morning knowing I am capable, strong, and ready to succeed.